everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something so exciting to film. I received this from Beetles. This camera playing.
Bruh.
I received this little bag from Beetles. It says, "Love you with every beat of my heart." Isn't this nice? It's a little PR package. It says "So in love" on it. So we're gonna pull out the contents of this and we're gonna go through this together. This is a new collection they have going out for Valentine's Day that's like right around the corner. So I'm excited to open this. Obviously it's the cutest packaging ever and it matches my studio completely. So I'm loving this already. So when I pull it out, it has a little handle. Ta-da! Look at this. I'm just gonna put this bag on the side. So this is what the box looks like. So it says Valentine's Day heart on it. Pull these little tabs on it. So it says I heart you. Oh, that's so cute. It says I heart you like this. Isn't that so cute? What a fun little vibe. So I want to open this thing up. There's the little tabs on the side here. I'm assuming that there's like a pulliness that needs to happen. Oh, yay! Okay, I got it. Okay. So, oh, there's a little paper, but I'll just open it right now. Oh, it's cute. I'm actually just going to show you guys some flat shots of it. There's an application guide that comes with it. There's this little card. It says crafted with love from the So In Love collection designed for you by Beetles gel polish. So cute. And here it says every moment with you is my favorite. And if you push it up, it says Beetles. And then you open up their little love letter to you. So here we have base coats, top coat. We have some gel art polish, some pinks. We have a glitter top coat. Right here we have more gel polishes and a gel art polish with a liner on it. And they gave a little thing of flowers. It's so cute. And in the bottom, they have, what do we have here? We have some stickers. We have a little like keychain, which is so cute. We have, is this like a lipstick container? What is this? Oh, cute. Little nail clippers with a little container, which is so cute. There is a cuticle oil right here, which is super nice. It's a hang-out free cuticle oil. It's a frosted little bottle, which is super nice. This is a little liner brush that's like a frosted pink color as well. It does come with some tweezers and, okay, cool. This is like a little magnet with the little heart magnet on there for those little cat eye hearts. So they've supplied a gel art polish, which is like white. You can see right here how it's looking. It looks super pigmented, which is great. Okay, so I'm gonna start off showing you some of the colors, but let's just appreciate this packaging. Isn't this so cute? It's like pink ombre with like some hearts on it. So you can see this one is like a hot pink, which is very beautiful. Then you have this one. I love this color actually, so I'm very excited to play around with this one. This color is like a pink glitter, pearlescent, opalescent kind of gel polish. And then they came with 3, so look at these bottles too, oh my gosh. This is their new base coat that they sent with the new bottle, which is beautiful. A top coat as well, a glitter top coat. Oh, fun! This is like one of those top coats with like the hearts directly in it. So there's red and pink hearts in there. So if you want to like top coat your nail, like it'll look so cute. So that's very exciting. Thank you so much, Beetles, for sending this to me. I'm excited to play around with all of this stuff and create some cute little Valentine's Day sets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing this PR package from Beetles. It was such a fun time for me. I hope you guys had a good time as well. And if you want to see me create a specific design with the contents of this or whatever, just let me know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like me, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!